सो कैलिक मीन्स कॉन्टेक्स्ट एडेप्टिव लॉसलेस इमेज कंप्रेशन। तो कल हमने आप लोगों को बताया था कि कैलिक का यूज कहाँ पे करते हैं। सो इन लास्ट टाइम वी हैव डिस्कस दैट कैलिक एक्चुअली वर्क ऑन टू मोड्स। फर्स्ट वन इज अ grayscale image and second one is for bi-level image, but in this section we only see on the gray level image. This is also I have told to you. So in an image, a given pixel generally has a value and it has some neighbors value. So in this case, which neighbor has the closest value depend on the local structure of the image, and depending on whether there is a horizontal or vertical edge in the neighborhood of the pixel being encoded. The pixel above or the pixel to the left or some weight average of neighbor pixel may given the best predictions. How close to the predictions is to the pixel being encoded depend on the surrounding texture. In a region of the image with a great deal of variability, the predictions is likely to be further from the pixel being encoded than the region with less variability. And in this case, we have also discussed that the pixel to be encoded be marked as the X, and the pixel above is called the north pixel, and the pixel left to the X is called west. Pixel east to the X is called east, and down is called the south. So this one figure I have also discussed in last time is, suppose we want to encode this X pixel, then we find the value of north, northeast, north to north, north to east, and this one is a northwest, this one is a west related to X, and this one west to west related to X. और इसमें कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है, ये नॉर्थ है, नॉर्थ का नॉर्थ क्या कहलाएगा, नॉर्थ का नॉर्थ कहलाएगा, एंड दिस वन इज नॉर्थ ईस्ट। जैसे आप लोग मैप में करते सेम थिंग वही है, कोई ज्यादा डिफरेंट नहीं है। So in this case we want to encode this X pixel, so we find the 7 values. Which one is this? Now we can get an idea of what kind of boundaries may or may not be neighbor of X by computing. This one is a D of horizontal, means depth of horizontal and depth of vertical, and the value of DH and DV calculated with the help of these formula. This one say that the mod value of west minus west to west plus C. How we can compute the formula? So horizontal value, DH value, means horizontal value with respect to X, can be calculated by mod value of W minus WW, means सबसे पहले x के रिलेटेड में हमें हॉरिजॉन्टल वैल्यूज करनी है. सो दिस वन इज द हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड x के रिलेटेड में दिस वन इज द वर्टिकल. So DH means we calculate the horizontal values. So how we calculate DH value? So DH value will be west minus west to west plus mod value north minus northeast, means west minus west to west plus north minus north to east, sorry, north to west, this one. W minus WW plus N minus NW plus NE minus N. Means first you compute the difference this one and compute the difference this one, and resultant will be added to, and next we can compute the difference of this one, then the whole result can be calculated as a DH value. So DH can be calculated as a W minus WW plus mod value of N minus NW plus mod value of northeast minus N. And the same way, vertical value we can calculate vertical value with respect to X, we can calculate W minus NW, means this one, W minus NW mod value plus N minus NN mod value plus NE, this one, NE minus NNE mod value. So with the help of these two formula, we can calculate the horizontal values and the vertical values. Now, the relative value of DH and DV are used to obtain the initial predictions of the pixel X. Means this DH and DV value are used to obtain the initial predictions of the pixel. What will be the initial predictions of the pixel can be obtained with the help of DH and DV. And this initial predictions is then refined by taking other factor into account. What will be the other factor? We will discuss later. So if the value of DH, if the value of this one DH is much higher than the value of DV, means that this DH is much higher than the DV, then this will means there is a large amount of horizontal values with respect to vertical values, and it would be better to pick north to be the initial values. Means अगर हॉरिजॉन्टल वैल्यू ज्यादा होती है देन वी पिक नॉर्थ वैल्यू. उल्टा है, उल्टा है कि अगर हॉरिजॉन्टल वैल्यू ज्यादा हो रही है देन वी टेक वर्टिकल वैल्यू, एंड विच वन इज द जस्ट वर्टिकल ऑफ एक्स इज नॉर्थ. And if the dv value is much higher than dh, means vertical value is much higher than the horizontal, then we will pick west values, w value as the initial value. So अगर vertical value ज्यादा हो रही है तो हम उसका उल्टा मतलब वेस्ट वाला लेंगे, और अगर हॉरिजॉन्टल वैल्यू ज्यादा हो रही है तो उसका उल्टा मतलब नॉर्थ वैल्यूज लेंगे. सो अगर इन दोनों में से अगर DH ज्यादा है, DH मीन्स हॉरिजॉन्टल, देन वी टेक नॉर्थ वैल्यूज. वर्टिकल ज्यादा है देन वी टेक वेस्ट वैल्यूज. एंड थर्ड वन कैटेगरी इज इफ द डिफरेंस आर मोर मॉडरेटेड और स्मॉलर, मीन्स बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं है, वेरी स्मॉल डिफरेंस मीन्स मॉडरेटेड वैल्यूज है, then what we will do? So if the difference are more moderator or smaller, the prediction value is weighted average of the neighbor pixels. So the predicted value is the weighted average of the neighbor pixel. It will be not north, not west. It will be the average weighted value of their neighbor pixels. And the exact algorithm used by Kalik to form the initial predictions, means this one जो हमने यहाँ पे देखा है कि what will be the initial predictions value of the pixel x. So the exact algorithm for this initial predictions can be understood by the following pseudocode, and this one is the pseudocode. What is the, if dh minus dv means horizontal value is more than the vertical values, so dh minus dv greater than 80, then we will take x as a north value. जो हमने पढ़ा कि अगर हॉरिजॉन्टल वैल्यू वर्टिकल से ज्यादा हो रही है तो हम उल्टा देखेंगे, मींस हॉरिजॉन्टल ज्यादा है तो हम नॉर्थ वाला लेंगे. सो सेम थिंग, इफ हॉरिजॉन्टल वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन द वर्टिकल वैल्यूज and the difference of dh minus dv is greater than 80, then we take x as a north values. And if dv minus dh is greater than h, then we will encoded x as the west values. वर्टिकल ज्यादा है तो हम वेस्ट लेंगे, हॉरिजॉन्टल ज्यादा है तो हम नॉर्थ लेंगे. ओके, एंड if it is not greater than 80, then we come on the else statement. And in else, it is says that if x values is north plus west divided by 2 plus northeast minus northeast west divided by 4, तो अब क्या करेंगे अगर ये कंडीशन नहीं हो रही है कि dh माइनस dv का डिफरेंस ग्रेटर देन 80 नहीं आ रहा है, तो उसमें केस में हम क्या करेंगे, we calculate the x value or we encode the x value with the help of this formula. Means encoded value of x will be north plus west by 2 plus northeast minus northwest divided by 4. I think this will be clear. There will be no confusion. If there is any confusion, then we will discuss later. So initially first you understand what I say. So this one is clear now. Again, if dh minus dv means difference of dh minus dv is greater than 32, then x will be encoded as a x plus n by 2. And opposite of this means dv minus dh, initially dh minus dv, now dv minus dh is greater than 32, then x will be encoded as a x plus w by 2. This x is the original value of x. So new x will be encoded as a value of x plus value of west divided by 2. Again, else if this dh minus dv is greater than 8, this one dh minus dv अगर 32 था तो ये था, but if dh minus dv is greater than 8, then now x will be encoded with the help of this formula, and this one says that 3x plus north divided by 4. And opposite of this means dv minus dh, this one dv minus dh is greater than 8, then the value of x will be encoded as a 3x plus west divided by 4. So this one is the pseudocode. With the help of this we can calculate the value of x. Means there are three cases. First case, it says that if dh value is more higher than the value of dv, then we will encoded the value of x with the value of north. And second step will be say that if the value of dv minus dh is greater than, or we can say that if the value of dv is much more than the value of dh, then x value will be encoded as the west values. And third one says that if the difference of dv and dh is moderator or very small, then we can compute the value of x, or we can encode the value of x with the help of taking the average weight of neighbor values. So how we will take average case of neighbor values? So this one is the whole sequence, how we will calculate the value of x, or how we encode the value of x with the help of taking average of neighbor values. And for more simplification, I can also detailed with the help of this figure. Suppose we had taken an example, this value we will encoded, and north value is pixel of north values is 100, pixel of west value is 100, west to west value is 200. So ये जो values दिए मैंने एक example के through लिया है कि this one is example, and what will be the encoded value of x can be calculated with the help of this. So if dv minus dh is greater than 80, so अगर greater than 80 हो रहा है, then sharp horizontal edge will be the west values. And if it will lie between 30 to 80, dv minus dh is lie between 32 to 80, then horizontal edge will be taken, and this will be taken by t plus w by 2. What will be t? Then t is nothing but t is here west plus north divided by 2 plus northeast minus northwest divided by 2. This is the value of t. So this whole figure we will compute with the help of pseudocode. या तो आप pseudo को याद कर लीजिए, या फिर इस टेबल को आप लोग समझ लीजिए कि अगर dv minus dh is greater than 80, then what will be the encoded value of x will be west. If difference is between 82 minus 32, then what will be the value of x? This will be t plus w by 2. And if dv minus dh, difference of dv minus dh is 32 8, 32 से 8 के बीच में है, then x will be encoded as a 3t plus w by 4. And if dv minus dh is 8 to 0, then we will take the value t. If dv minus dh is minus 8 to minus 32, this one, initial one, this one, if dv minus dh lie between 8 to minus 8, then x will be encoded as at 8. And if dv minus dh lie between minus 8 to minus 32, then x will be encoded as a with the help of this formula. If dv minus dh lie between minus 32 to minus 80, then x will be encoded as a t plus n by 2. And if value of dv minus dh is minus 80 to another more, then x will be calculated with the help of n values. So this one is the same thing which we have studied in the pseudocode. Now I think it is clear to all of you what will be the algorithm or what will be the pseudocode will say.